Hello students, in today's video I have linkers, but what are they? Okay, linkers are words that connect, join or link ideas or sentences. We can join two positive ideas with a linker. Let's see, what linkers do we have for today? We have and, also, as well, and to. Today we're going to study 4 linkers. Let's study the first one. And the first one is and. When do we use and? Well, we use and to connect two ideas, to connect or make a list of ideas or things. When we are listing, we add a comma. We put a comma after the object that we're listing, but we don't put a comma before and. There are some examples. There are 4. Let's see the first one. I did my homework and I cleaned my room. In this case, we are using and to join two ideas, two sentences. The first idea is I did my homework. The second idea is I cleaned my room. So we are joining two sentences. This is the example number 2. My mom visited the museum and the zoo. So we are joining two ideas. Because my mom visited 2 places, and here the museum and the zoo. Example number 3. She ate an apple and drank water. Here we're joining two positive ideas. Example number 4. He talked about sports, music, and education. Before, we say that we use and when we are listing. So the first things that we are listening is sport, then we have music and education. So we're talking about 3 things. When we have 2 things, we separate them with a comma. But in the last one, we don't use a comma. We write and. Let's see the other linker. And the other linker is also. Also, when do we use also? Well, we use also to add information or emphasis. This is used as I said, to add information, and also comes before the main verb. Also is used in the middle of a sentence. In the middle of a sentence, remember, it is before the main verb and it is in the middle of a sentence. Let's see. Alex did some chores. He also went to the school. Also here is here, and when is the main verb. Let's see another example. I like soccer. I also like basketball. The main verb is also. Like, and before the main verb we have also. Let's continue. This is example number 3. They eat beans and cream. They also eat bread for breakfast. So, eat is the main verb, and we have also before. Example number 4. She enjoyed the food. She also enjoyed the drinks. Remember, we use also before the main verb, and it can be in the middle of a sentence. The other linker is to. When do we use to? Okay, we use to add information as the other linkers. And this linker is at the end of a sentence. Before to, we write a comma. She went to a party to. Remember, before to, we have a comma. This was example number 1. Now let's see number 2. I bought a pen, a book, a pen, and a pencil to. Remember, we have before to, we have a comma. My mom listened to rock music and watched TV too. We invited family members and friends too. Now let's continue. As well. As well, it is used to add information like to. They have the same meaning. She was alone as well. Or we can say she was alone too. I took a picture as well. Or I took a picture too. She is beautiful and smart as well. Or we can say she is beautiful and smart too. Number 4, he did a great job and got 10 as well. Or he did a great job and got 10 too. Remember that we use a comma before as well. And also we use a comma before too, so they can be used in the same situations. Thank you very much for your attention. This was a presentation about linkers. Thank you very much. Bye bye.